Introducing the QC12K series swing beam shearing machine, setting the standard for high-quality, cost-effective cutting. Designed for full-length and extra-wide sheets, its advanced power rake angle adjustment delivers precision in every cut. Our standard controller is built for simplicity and reliability, with intuitive touch controls, preloaded cutting profiles, and real-time error alerts to keep even new operators efficient. For advanced needs, upgrade to options like Dilem's DAC series or Cyberlec controllers, adding automation and remote connectivity. Robust back gauge design resists collisions and deformation. With manual and automatic lifting, it handles longer materials with ease, making material retrieval faster than ever. Our standard high-performance main motor is from trusted Chinese brand Wannan, ensuring reliable operation. For those seeking global options, Siemens motors are also available as a custom choice. Voltage can be tailored to 3-phase 220V 60 Hz, 380V 60 Hz, 415V 60 Hz, and more. Equipped with Rexroth hydraulic valves, our system delivers consistent performance. Real-time oil pressure monitoring and overload protection minimize risks, keeping operations smooth and reliable. Our bearing ball workbench reduces friction, keeping sheets smooth and speeding up feeding. At the plate feed port, safety meets flexibility, adjustable height, front fences, and side guardrails protect operators while adapting to different sheet thicknesses. Advanced alignment lighting projects a precise cutting line, eliminating manual marking. It's how we ensure straight, accurate cuts every single time. The QC12K series, where high quality meets cost efficiency. Need a tailored solution? We offer custom configuration